Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay, today is Monday. All right, having a late start to my morning. Okay, this is just a spur of the moment type of vlog. We'll see how it goes because I don't know if you guys remember in my life update, I was like, I'm not doing it anymore. But like, I think I understand the concept of what I'm supposed to be doing because before I was just, not comfortable filming, outside of the house. I believe I got the hang of it. Hopefully. But today's plan is to just get my shit together because I have a whole list of things that I need to do today. But yeah, I have to go to Ikea today because I need to get some containers for like my milk prepping situation. So I think I need to review the plan again. Shopping, gym, house shower, pick up Kalina maybe, go to Ikea because when things are available at Ikea, you gotta go get it then because you don't know when it's gonna be available again. So yeah, I'm almost there. So I'll catch you guys when I get into the store. Alrighty. Bless me! I'm going to go to Trader Joe's to go see if they have some hemp seeds. I want to try some hemp seeds. I tried hemp seed milk and it actually wasn't nasty. And then I gotta go to the gym. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and then I gotta hit the gym. Then I gotta go to the dead blasted house, take this food out and put it away. Alright. Let's go to Trader Joe's. Alright. I'm ready. I'm not really, but I'm ready. I'm just gonna go do it. But I'm gonna do the workout.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Been there, done it, seen it. Boy, all that like Keenan. Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like Neiman. And I'm still trying to fight my demons. Cause we all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with it.
Alrighty, so I just made it back to the house and I'm about to make myself some food really quick, freshen up, and then I'm gonna leave to go to Ikea so I can get my stuff. But let me just unpack all this stuff really quick and then I'll show you guys what I got. Look at my girl! My girl! I need a shave, dog! Alrighty, so this is all the food that I have got. This is gonna last me 2 weeks, hopefully. I really hope so. So, with the salad thing, I'm trying this. We'll see. We will see, but I'm gonna put it all away now. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm about to make that really quick because I'm hungry. And with my leftover rice that's right in the refrigerator. Alrighty, I'm all ready to go, and Clean's over here taking a minute to get ready, even though she said she was ready.
I was ready.
Bye.
Okay, so you remember that big piece of art that I was working on?
Yeah, the colorful one.
So we have the critique today. And since Miss Charles didn't know about who...
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is her being ready. Do you see this?
I'm putting on my socks in the car. I'm not gonna zip up these boots.
Bougie be up and dope. What's the freak?
How did that get hot?
Because she didn't zip up her boots. And she's thinking just let them on the... Colleen, you made a skid mark. You felt kind of gracefully, but heavy. It was like a doom doom doom. Don't like those.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, they are.
Is this a cup? These are the ones that I want. These ones. I really want this one. You know, something like this. Ooh, jars. Ooh, I need a big one. Yay. Oh, they lied. They said they didn't have any of these. I'm taking it. Taking it. Oh, yeah. This will be perfect for rice. This isn't giving you. What is this? Oh, definitely.
Yeah, just like
Freaking huge. Ooh, a keg thing. Did we throw away the other one at the house, or could I just get the lid? Ah, what a my cart. Stab it. Just. Oh, that's heavy. I don't think that'd be a good idea to get.
Remember you broke the lid?
No. Look at these little balls. They're so cute. Man, I don't know.
Sure, the thing's rolling.
I know, it moves by itself. All right, we can go. Oh, this is where everybody's getting it from. I never realized where everybody was getting it from. It's really nice, huh? Thought about getting a frother, but what the fuck am I gonna froth? I don't know which one to choose. I'm really liking the green one. The green is speaking to me. Okay, get the green. Okay. Yeah. They don't have the milk. They went up on price on this one. I sure the freak did. Ooh. I like this one. So small and cute. So cute. Here you go. I'm just gonna go look at them. I'm not gonna buy them. These are not fake. Oh man, I don't have any type of room in my room. I don't have room. Oh, that's nice. It's like a small little snake plant. No snap. But yeah, this is all the stuff. Hey, so sorry. I am so sorry. Like. Anyways, sorry guys, I forgot that I was filming. So we got back from Ikea and freaking started washing my meal prep dishes, and right now I'm about to meal prep. I got a sweet potato that I'm apparently peeling right now. I already have some rice for last week, and then I need to make some fajita. I'm trying a new fajita thing that I saw on YouTube. I'm gonna have like peppers and cauliflower. We'll see what that's giving. I'm also making chili for like a Buddha bowl, because I realized now, since I'm like, I would consider myself as being, sorry about the dishwasher, but I would consider myself as being vegetarian, but I do still eat fish. I'm sorry, I like salmon. And then I do eat eggs, egg whites. I don't eat the egg yolk. And then I really try my very hardest not to drink milk or eat milk or whatever, you know, have things incorporated in milk. But like, if I want something like a donut or a cupcake and it has like milk in it, I'll be like, ugh, I'm still gonna eat it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finished my meal prep and I have these clothes to wash, these clothes to do. I was supposed to do them in another video, but I didn't do it. I said I was gonna do it, but I didn't do it. I really didn't. They're still sitting in the same spot, but I have to do it because I refuse to have another week of those clothes sitting there. I refuse. Right now it's currently 6:31. I can do this really quick, make my shlit. Oh, hey y'all. I just wanted to give you guys an update before I go eat my food. But I finished my meal prep for like hopefully the next 3 days. The only thing I have to do is make rice. But this is what we're giving. I get my cantaloupe, my pasta stuff that I made, my freaking chili that I made, and then of course, you know, the meal prep stuff down there, and my noodles again. Yeah, that's what I just wanted to give you an update on. I'm about to go eat because I'm hungry. It's a very awkward angle, but I'll show you guys what my food looks like. Sorry, my desk is kind of messy from this morning. Kinda, it's still messy from this morning. All right, this is the dinner for today. And then it's 9 o'clock. I do have time to do these clothes. I will do those clothes. Yep, they'll be done. But I just wanted to end the video here, and I just want to thank everybody who's watching this video. Thank you guys for getting to the end. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye!